Hello, Greg Gilbert here with another SledMagazine.com video. I'm here today with Steve Cowing from Ski-Doo, and Steve, thanks for being here with us. In 2002, the world was kind of recreated with snowmobiling as far as centralized mass. Tell us a little bit about 2017 and the influence for what's next.
Well, Greg, you touched on 2002 when we really concentrated on bringing the masses to the center from front to rear. So the rider got moved forward off the back of the snowmobile right here to the center of the vehicle. Okay, but what we've done this year now is we've narrowed the power pack by 1.6 inches when we created the new one. Okay, and we've also shoved everything we can to the center of the snowmobile and then made sure it was centered as much as possible to have a 50-50 weight distribution on each ski. So now what we're trying to do is we're providing the balance front to rear and side to side to make it just as easy as possible to control.
So balance in both axes is a real focus for this year.
Absolutely.
Now with that change, giving you a little narrower profile on it, we've had some bodywork changes. Can you give us a little detail on the purpose and the function of that new change?
Sure. Well, we've trimmed 4 inches off the width of the snowmobile right here, which is really big, so that when a rider wants to get aggressive now, get into the turns, he's got a little bit easier time getting around it. But the key to that also is this ErgoStep side panel right here. Okay, so as a rider comes forward, it's a natural position to come forward here, and even more so here, and even more so here. So everything's easy for the rider to get forward on the snowmobile and make things easier for cornering. You can cut a much more precise, easy line.
Makes perfect sense, and I'm grinning ear to ear from riding it because it actually works that exact same way, and that's a noticeable difference of what's next from Ski-Doo. Thank you very much, Steve.
Thanks, Greg.
For more information, our articles and the complete details on 2017 from Ski-Doo, SledMagazine.com.